You probably know this character, Lu, but have you ever wondered why it has this component in it? That's pronounced ge, right? And it's actually the sound component. Now, how does that work? Well, in Old Chinese, that character was pronounced something like klag, and it's used in a bunch of different characters as a sound component. In some of those characters, the K fell off and the L remains. In other characters, the L fell off and the K or G remains. Keep in mind, K and G are pronounced in the same place in the mouth. So now, not only do you understand this character, you also understand all these other characters that contain that same sound component. If you want to learn how to get this kind of clarity on every Chinese character you learn, check out our free training video, How to Learn Chinese Characters Without All the Pain and Frustration. There's a link in the pinned comment.